Feeling left out because all your friends have the sleek new Relay Debit Card? Or maybe you're just looking for an easier way to manage your finances without the hassle of a traditional bank. Whatever your reason, getting a Relay card is a lot simpler than you might think. In this video, we're going to walk you through the super easy steps to order your very own Relay Debit Card. First things first, you'll need to have a Relay account. If you don't already, just head over to their website or download the app and sign up. It only takes a few minutes. Once you're logged in, you'll see your dashboard. Now, look for the Cards tab. It's usually located in the menu or on the main screen. Click on that. Now, you'll see an option that says something like Order New Card or Add a Card. Go ahead and select that. The next screen will ask you to confirm your shipping address. Make sure this is correct because this is where your new card will be sent. Double-check the street, the city, and the zip code. Once you've confirmed your address, hit Next or Continue. Relay will then give you a final summary of your order. It will show your name, the shipping address, and the estimated arrival date. Take a quick look to make sure everything is perfect. If it is, click Confirm Order. And that's it. You've successfully ordered your Relay Debit Card. It's really that simple. Your new card should arrive in the mail within 7 to 10 business days. Once it gets here, all you have to do is activate it through the app or website, and you're good to go. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.